Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID you use for the App Store and the last password you remember. This narrows the recovery path. Once done, make sure your iPhone or Mac is on a stable Wi-Fi network and above 20% battery so the process won't interrupt. Next, verify you can receive two-factor codes on a trusted device or phone number. If you have a recovery key, keep it ready. These steps speed up verification and prevent unexpected lockouts during the reset. You now perform the reset. On iOS, go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. On Mac, open System Preferences and Apple ID. Once there, choose Change Password if you're signed in, or start the Forgot Apple ID flow if not. Then follow prompts to enter a two-factor code, use your recovery key, or submit account recovery details. This step proves ownership. Be precise when entering codes, and check for SMS delays or voicemail for missed verification messages. You finish by signing out of the App Store and iCloud on each device, then sign back in using the new password so purchases and subscriptions resync. Once signed in, review payment and subscription prompts, and update any device settings that request your new credentials. If the reset failed or the account remains locked, try the recovery wait period of 24 to 48 hours, and as a last resort, contact Apple support by phone. Keep your Apple ID, device serial, and proof of purchase handy for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.